As a manufacturing sales rep, your goal is to deepen relationships to extend lifetime customer value, land new customer programs, and remain competitive among distributors. Here are 3 steps to build deeper strategic relationships and maximize your sales impact with Quip for Customer 360. First, build a living account plan to understand customer needs and deliver personalized experiences. With Quip, you can capture all of your unstructured notes and strategic account information right alongside structured CRM data that lives in Salesforce. Embed a live sales agreement scorecard to get a quick view into agreement performance that's always up to date. Track the full history of cross-team conversations, key work streams, and action items in context, and leverage key insights to proactively deliver tailored solutions to your customers. Next, use collaborative pursuit templates to respond to complex RFQs and win new business as a team. Turn standard best practices and institutional knowledge into customizable templates. Bring cross-functional stakeholders from engineering, quality, legal, finance, and more onto the same page in context of relevant CRM data, whether they are Salesforce users or not. Empower your extended team with a single place to align on updates and next steps, so you can design and turn around comprehensive solutions faster. And finally, increase distributor transparency and trust to build lasting relationships and channel loyalty. Quip empowers you to engage your distributors through a lightweight, collaborative workspace where you can track and discuss ongoing pipeline opportunities together. Give them visibility into CRM data and have conversations around active agreements and performance across multiple accounts that they can access from a single, easy-to-use mobile app. To learn more about how Quip can make your teams more productive, start your free trial today.